Back again. Tesla AV competitor versus the Tesla True Power Cord. This is a test that's going to conclude on a MAP gas here, providing I can get the valve open. We have the valve open. Here's the gas. You can hear it. I'm not going to start, of course. Turn it up. This is MAP gas. Watch what's going to happen to this cord. Singed Tesla AV True Power Cord. Let my gas kick off. Got a little bit stinky in here, but that's okay. Now, you notice here, it's singed to a crisp. That bad boy's done. True Power Cord. Have you seen that yourself? Now hold on, I ain't done yet. Let me clean this off a little bit. I'll show you something really interesting. Alright, you ready? Can you kind of get a visual on that? Sorry about the focus here. Now, I personally